Hi everyone and welcome back to this video where I'm actually going to tell you something quite personal, I would say. So my name is Sahlström and I'm the head trader of Investment Mastery, and I've actually managed in cryptocurrencies to turn $4,000 into $100,000 in less than 2 years. I'm going to show you, you're probably going to see a picture up here when I show you, the number for a few years ago and what the number is now. I can't just believe it, right? Because I'm just using the very strategies that we are using, and I know we are actually also here, our agency also interviewed me when I turned 4,000 into 100,000 and Marcus 100,000 into a million in a couple of years. And we're using the same strategy, so the percentages are very similar, but maybe you can relate to this. Because the point I want to make here is that I didn't have, and I don't, well now I do, but I didn't have any financial background. So I started with a few $100s, and anyone can do that. Anyone can start with a few $100s, and then I kept adding to 4,000, and then according to the CCA and small cap strategy, I kept adding even more. So what did I do? Well, there's a couple of things I did in order to turn 4,000 into $100,000. Now, let me see by a show of hands here, or write in the chat, how many of you would like to do this? How many of you would like to turn 4,000 into 100,000 in 2 years? Thank you, right? So thank you for writing that. And just know, right, that most people are not going to see this through because they give up too fast. They give up before they get to that point of those results. So what's really interesting here is all I did was during the bull market, because I actually invested around when Bitcoin was worth 15,000 back in 2016-17. So really I started to invest properly in 2018 when Bitcoin went up to 20,000, and then I just kept adding on the whole way down to 3,000. So I'm using my CCA and small cap strategy in order to just buy more and more and more and more and more as it goes down. And of course I've done a lot of research, I have some experience, and I'm of course I'm also running the crypto club with Investment Mastery and Marcus de Maria. And I just kept adding all the way down. I have a portfolio of 40-50 cryptos. Anyone can do this, by the way. I'm not, any rocket scientist or anything like that. And I would even say my brother are a lot smaller than I am. But I'm just consistent. I never give up. So I just kept going all the way down. And then when Bitcoin went up to 14,000 it didn't go to 67 straight away, but went to 14,000. I'm using the CCA and small cap, but also another strategy we have, which is a contrarian momentum, which is trading and investing a little bit more in the short term. So in actually 2 years, from 2018 to June 2020, so when Bitcoin actually was up to around 10,000 or something like that. So Bitcoin was not up to 67,000 or anything like that. So during this time I just kept buying, selling, took profit according to a strategy, and all of a sudden my account has gone from 4,000 to 100,000 and a lot more now, naturally. So I hope this can inspire you. I'm not saying this to impress you, but more inspire you to take action. Start your journey today. In a couple of years you will not even recognize your account, and because I absolutely don't. And the power of compounding is just amazing. What you will see is in the beginning your account will grow very slowly, but then every time you double it, 4,000 to 8,000 to 16,000 to 32,000, and then to 64,000, then to 128,000, etc., etc. So it just goes faster and faster and faster, but most people give up before they even get there. So they really underestimating what they can do in the long term, but overestimate what they can do in the short term. So that's the message I want to leave to you there. So I hope you can get a bit inspired by this. Comment below what you think, and also hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more than this, or more things like this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.